He's sweating from the sun, a handsome man who got a tan. He needs a drink or two of water that we drew. He is a gorgeous guy, and I hope that he has seen my wink. Although I'm very shy, I must give him a drink. Yeah, that has to happen early.
Okay.
All right, so go back to, I hope he has seen my wink.
I thank you for your kindness, your help, but still love blindness. He had made it hard to see, but now your beauty dazzles me. My mother told me of your kind, said you're the best a man could find.
Hello, my name is Leah.
Oh, we have some link.
Yes.
My given name is Jacob, my mother is Rebecca. I was sent to Haran to live with Uncle Laban. Laban's dwelling, do you know in which direction should I go? Please, Leah, Rachel, help me find my Uncle Laban, if you'd be so kind.
Helping you won't be a bother. Your Uncle Laban is our father.
I'm glad to know that we are kin. Glad to have your family take me in. Thanks to God we are cousins.
Oh, kissy, kissy.
Papa,
Papa, dear, please lend us your ear. Papa, dear, your nephew Jacob's here. Come and greet him, form a whole new plan, for he will help in any way he can. Yes, 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 I must greet him now. I have need of someone who can plow. Jacob, give me your embrace. You are welcome, welcome, welcome in this place.
Okay. I'm glad.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Uncle, may I say, for your hospitality today. Laban, my soul's a fallen star. It's burning bright for a lovely sight. The gravity
Yes, good.
of your daughter.
So she's going to come get the water
Okay.
on gravity, right, of your... Perfect. Yes, that's perfect. Keep that. We're keeping that.
Thank you.
We're keeping that. Perfect. That's nice. You're speaking quite insanely. Please speak to me more plainly.
I love your daughter, Rachel. She is the earth's attraction. Rachel, what must I do to marry one as fair as you?
I'm so glad you feel the
my dream is real.
Swear to me that you'll work for me.
For 7 years I'll work your land. In 7 years all
Not yet! Perfect.
Okay.
How's that feel? We'll add a few more we'll add some details as we go, but that's the framework. What I really want to establish is that what I'd like to do is have this meeting take place just a little right of the stairs.
Okay.
I would like you not to get all the way to the
See
middle.
that outline?
This stalking here.
Okay.
It needs to be just a little slower. So at the beginning, you take a step to her, get a little closer. Yeah. You take a step, and she takes one.
Oh, she can do it right.
You take it and take a bigger one. So he takes a little step, right? And what's going to happen is they're going to get opposite. She's going to take littler steps, and you're going to take bigger ones.
Okay.
So you're going to start by taking a little step, and she takes a big one. And then you're going to take a little bit bigger one. She's going to take a little bit smaller one. And then you're going to take a little bit bigger one, and even a smaller one. And then bigger, and tiny, 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 and bigger. Not yet! Right? So it gets opposite. She starts to want you more as you start to take the bigger steps to her. At first, she's real nervous because you never have been this close to an eligible male before. But he's family, sort of. You've never met. And why that's all over the place. So, and this is God's plan. This is God's plan. So, whatever. Yeah, God can do whatever he wants. All right, so you see how that works? And we should be able to, can we take 5 minutes or so? And she should be taking a 5-minute break, and she should be here in a second. So that's perfect. And remember, once you say Uncle Laban, Leah is going to move from here to go, oh, they're going to be having this little thing over here. And you're going to be like, what are you talking about? And then they're going to say, your Uncle Laban, he is, and you still don't know, he is our father. And then